Imagine being able to make over $66,000 a month online from a product that you didn't even create. I'm going to share with you in this video exactly the steps I took so you can copy me. My name's Wendy. I'm a grandma from Ontario, Canada, and we were stupid short for retirement. I mean, literally gonna have to work past 65 type of short. You know, we got our financial act together late. We've been married for 36 years, had some health issues, that prevented income from coming in. That's just the nature of being married for so long, right? Your lumps and bumps along your journey, and inflation, it's just crazy. So that left us short. I had a desire, being a grandma, to have more time for my grandkids. I wanted to create an income that gave me a lot more location-free options because my job kept me stuck at a spot. And I wanted to create an income from my phone. I saw people online doing it, so I thought, what are they doing? So I could, do it too. So that led me into the online space. I tried a bunch of things that honestly lost me money on my journey. And then in February of 2024, I came across this blueprint program that gave me the Master Resell Rights to make 100% profit from what I was learning. Now that blew my mind because I'd never heard of such a thing. So I'm going to break that all down for you. I'm going to share exactly the steps I took. So if you're wanting to start as a complete beginner or newbie, you know what I did to get started so that you can do it too. First, let's start with digital marketing. Why is that so important? Well, Forbes is saying that digital marketing is going up. So that's the skill set that you want to learn if you want to make money online, plain and simple. I don't care what you decide to do, whether you want to make your own products or whether you want to take a course like I did and resell it, whether you want to be an affiliate marketer, you're still going to need to learn digital marketing skills because that's how you get in front of people, use social media to connect with people who are interested in what you have to offer. You connect the product with the person and you solve a problem. That's really digital marketing. Now, once I learned how to do that effectively, because prior to that, nobody told me, but this program walked it step by step so I could grasp it. And you use free platforms like social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, whatever platform you choose to connect with your ideal person that is looking for the solution that you have. So that meant you didn't have to pay for advertising. You don't have any monthly expenses. You just learn how to do this effectively and let the free channels work for you. So that was brilliant to me. If you've paid for college or university, then you're going to know what I'm talking about. You pay for an education to learn something. You take that education and then hopefully go out and get a job using that new skill set that you've learned. Now, schools will resell a program over and over again, and they get to keep all that income to themselves. With Master Resell Rights, this is an e-learning program, online learning. So that means once you learn a skill set, you then can get licensed, certified to resell the program. So this is what the certification looks like. Then you can resell it and make 100% profit from a program that you did not create, a program that is teaching you multiple ways to make money online. Because of this program, I have 13 different income streams. I am reselling the program, yes, to make 100% profit because people ask me all the time, Wendy, how are you learning this skill set to make money online? I say, I took a course. So they're like, where's the course? Here it is. Learn for yourself. And that's exactly what referral marketing is. But the fact is, I get to make 100% profit for doing that. It's amazing. This course, this program, it's live and interactive. So I'm not out there by myself. I do get to watch video training, which to me was a brilliant way to do it because one, I have a 56-year-old brain. So the fact that I could pause something, rewind it, watch it again until I grasp it was great. That's how I learn, that's how I roll, and that works for me. But there was also live interactive training, so I could get my questions answered. There was live tech support training multiple times a week. That way people can get anything that they're struggling with techie. I mean, there's not a lot, but there's a little bit. It is digital to get things set up for them, their online systems set up. So there's help and support. Now, I don't have to show up for the help and support, which is good because you wouldn't want me showing up for techie help and support because I'm not techie. But people who are a lot smarter than me are doing it for me. For anybody who purchases the program, they are helping you with it. Now, I get the question, how does the program make money? Well, they have a done-for-you website, which costs $39. That is it, $39 for a done-for-you website. Plus, they have the training on how you can personalize your website, how you can add your payment links to your own website, and that way it's branded to you. This is my website right here. So this I paid $39 for this amazing website. Now, trust me, I've been in the online space for a long time, and building a website like that would be thousands of dollars. 39 bucks? And that is it. This is exactly what I did to get started. I purchased a one-time program. Now there are 4 different programs. I purchased the $900 one. That was the highest level because honestly, I liked what it could offer me. I was interested in making life-changing income. So I liked that it could teach me all these different strategies and ways to make money that I could tap into at my own pace and leisure. But there's a $600, $300, and $100 program. So you choose what works for you. You get the Master Resell Rights on whatever program you choose. So when I chose the $900 one, that means it gave me all 4 programs. So I had $1,900 in value of programs that I had the 100% resell rights to. So I could resell these programs and make 100% profit. Are you understanding where I'm going with this? How brilliant is this for a complete beginner? You are learning from an educational, live interactive program that is teaching you all the ways to make money online, and you have the ability to resell it and make 100% profit. That blew my mind. And so I knew when I saw that this was a brilliant business strategy. So I now have 13 different income streams because of what I've learned in that $900 blueprint program. Its Freedom Formula Blueprint has taught me all the steps and strategies that I've done to date. If you'd like a copy of that PDF, then just put freedom in the comments. I will share it with you, or you will find the clickable link in my description below and you'll get it absolutely for free. It's exactly the steps that I followed. Once I bought my program and my website, then I purchased a GoDaddy domain and email address so I could be professional. As a Canadian, that was about 50 Canadian dollars for the year. I don't know what that converts in American. So that's the only thing that's a renewable cost is your domain. The rest is a one-time purchase. So to me, that was brilliant because I was trying, like I said, a bunch of things before, and my email provider alone was costing me $171 a month just for my email provider. In this program, we use a free program called System.io. And if you go to my description below, you'll see the link there. You can set up a free account if you want, but our program does show you how to do that. And the System.io, it's not a free trial. It's actually free for up to 2,000 subscribers. I pay for System.io now. I pay $27 a month, but I used the free account until I made over 6 figures online. If you want to take a look at that System.io, I have the link below and you can just look at it for yourself. I've learned this over the years that you want to have an automated system. And this program comes with 100% automations. Now that's what gives you your freedom back. Because I used to work 9 to 5. I've retired now from my 9 to 5 because of this business in October of 2024. And I started this in February of 2024. So today is a Monday. I would have normally been at work, but here I am outside enjoying the beautiful weather here in Ontario finally. So I used to work my 9 to 5. And then I had about 2 or 3 hours in the evening to do what I wanted to do. Now I've totally flipped the script. I work 2 to 3 hours a day and I have all the rest of the day to do whatever I want to do. Now that to me was freedom. That to me was getting my time back. To be able to earn anywhere that I have my phone or my laptop, to give me the freedom to do the things that I want with my time. I'm 56. I'm not getting any younger. While I still have my health, I wanted to be able to do some of those things on our retirement bucket list. So let's just recap here. 1, purchase a course that has Master Resell Rights. That's the best strategy as a beginner because it also gives you a product that is proven to work that you have the ability to resell and make 100% profit from. 2, you need to get a website that's professional. Our program did that. I spent $39 on mine. Then you need a professional domain. So that's your website address and a professional email. And that's it. Those are the 3 things that I did. So you also want to make sure you have automations working for you. So you want to have automated email sequencing because that way the automations are doing the informing and the selling on your behalf. I'm not out chasing friends and family to purchase my product or join my business like I have done with other network marketing or multi-level marketing things that I've done in the past. I'm out here attraction marketing. People see the social media and they want to learn more about what I'm doing. It's as simple as that. It's an attraction marketing strategy that you are taught how to do. And anybody can learn these steps if you're coachable, teachable, and have a willingness and desire to learn a new skill set. Teaching this 55-year-old brain takes a little bit of work, but I can follow steps and I can follow strategy and I can give myself grace and patience as I learn new ways. I have now used this exact blueprint strategy. I've opened up multiple different income streams, totaling over $670,000 in just over 14 months. Like, blow your mind, right? Blow your mind. For a visual learner like me, I have a free class for you. Just put class in the comments below, or you can actually go click on the link and I'll share with you the exact webinar that explains how all this works. Then you can make the best decision for yourself. That's exactly where I started. Have you ever heard of Master Resell Rights before? If not, did this open your eyes to what opportunities there are in the online space? I would love to hear about it. Put it in the comments below and let's get you started down that path to creating a freedom style income for your retirement. Now that you know exactly the steps that you can take to copy me to start your business journey online and start making some money quickly, you might want to see how I've used this exact strategy to make over $670,000 in 14 months. You want to go right to this video here. And when you partner that with what you just learned in this video, the lights are going to come on for you. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.